What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D Man, and welcome back to the channel. Hey man, today is the big day. I'm about to go ahead and get this LS put in the Malibu finally, get it off my garage floor. But of course, you know, we got to do some things to the motor itself in order for it to be installed. You did, because it's not gonna go in just like that. As you can tell from the thumbnail, and as you can tell from the title, this video has been sponsored by Maxpeedingrods. And guess what, y'all? We got an unboxing to do for them as well. They got me a package, and we're gonna see what it is. You did, and yeah, man, we're gonna get to it. I ain't gonna even prolong it, you did. So before we get started with this video, you already know what time it is, man. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, and that way you can stay alert to all the new drops that's coming out, you did. So stay tuned. And we back. So let's see what this thing is, man. Let's get to it, man. I already, man, got the tape cut, and we're gonna get this thing popping. Okay. All right, man. Looks like this might be an oil pan. You did. So right now, I can tell you now, this is the gasket. This is a Lsswap oil pan. I did inform them that there's something I needed. So we're gonna see what's up. Got your focus on performance. Let's see here. Just like the standard documentation. What's in the box, telling you about the product, customer service card, you did, you know what I mean? Got to have that customer service card. I just kind of goes over like some little, something about us. Oh, that's dope, you know what I mean? Provide that little information, man, that way each one of the individuals who buy the product understand what they buying, man. You know what I mean? Understand who they working with, you did? So, all right, man, let's get to this oil pan, man. Let's stop BSing. Pick up. I can tell you now, man, this stuff like it's high quality. Oh, and it got some weight to it. Man. Built-in windage tray. Y'all, I can't even front, man. This is heavy. It's sturdy. You know what I mean? Like, surprisingly, man, the quality of this thing is, oh, this thing A1, man. I can't even front to you. Like, I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this heavy, man. And to be honest, man, it looked very similar to some major brands that's out there. So, man, I'm interested to see what this gonna do. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm with that. I'm with that 100%, man. You did. Man. So, yo, I'm 100% pleased, man. We also got the screws, and they provide you all the hardware that you need to get this thing installed. And yeah, I don't think you can get a much sturdier product than this, man, to be honest with you. You did. So Maxpeedingrods is a fast-growing car parts manufacturer and supplier. Since 2006, Maxpeedingrods has been redefining high-performance auto parts, including cranks, coilovers, connecting rods, and turbochargers, and also, man, a variety of other parts. Man, and they got warehouses, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about they got a warehouse in United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, Czech Republic, United States. And guess what? They can get it all shipped out in 24 hours. In addition to all of that, Maxpeedingrods has already been sponsoring some well-known racers out here, man. I'm talking about the Drift Masters of the European Championship, the 2020 British Drift Championship champion, Dwight McKeever, and on top of that, the 2019 British Drift Championship champion, Oliver Evans. Man, they sponsor local events in the United States, France, Portugal, Italy, Denmark, and Latvia. Man, guess what? I can get you these products at a discount rate. All you got to do is visit the website, type in Diggin, D-I-G-G-I-N, and you can get products like this at a cheaper cost. You can't beat it. So visit Maxpeedingrods, man. Don't sleep on them. Scrape this gasket stuff off.